Hi, welcome along, glad to have you here, and in today's video it's an absolute summer classic, In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry. Had a request for this one, so stick around, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so here we go, In the Summertime by Mungo Jerry. Right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to play obviously the whole song and the cheeky little riff. That one. So first off, things you need to know. So first off, we need to show you that it's in the key of E. So we're going to need the chord of E major. Then we're going to drop down to the chord of A major. Now I do my A like this. When I come from an E, I drop down to that A. I'll bring that up to the camera, which is basically same A as what the other A. But I'm going to do it with these 3 fingers. Reason being is I can just bring it's an easier way of doing it. You can bring your 2 fingers up, then reapply your first finger to bring you back to E. Then bring these 2 fingers down, little finger on, that gives you your A. So it's a nice little transition. I'm not calling the other way wrong. I'm just saying that this way is a nice, easy way to come from E to A. Okay, it might help you. If it's not good for you, leave it. Do it the way you've been doing it. We're not trying to change the world here, right? So if you want to carry on doing your A like that, that's completely fine. Some of you do this thing, that's fine too. But yeah, we're going to go from E to A, E to A. Right, now, let's first off talk about strum patterns. So what we're going to do, we're going to go down, up, down. So what I want you to do, I want you to mute the strings. Muting the strings just by laying your fingers on. Don't press. When you press, you get a tone. We don't want to press. We want to just lay our fingers to kill the sound of the strings. That's what we're after. So we're going to go like this. We're going to practice this. We're going to go down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So first chord then, E. We're going to go E. Down to A. Back to E. Then we've got B7. So if you're lost for what a B7 is, I'm going to hold this right up to the camera for you. There we go. I have done a whole video on 7th chords, so you may want to check that one out. But basically, the majority of our fingers are 2nd fret, 5th string, miss a string, then 2nd fret, G string, miss a string, 2nd fret, E string. So, and then on the D string, we're 1st fret with the 1st finger. So there we go. That's we don't play the top string. So that's 5 strings. There we go. That's our B7. So let's go through that again. So it goes 4 bars of E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2 bars of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, back to E for 2 bars, then B7, then A, then E. Okay, and it does that for the whole song. So it's a nice one for you beginners out there. So we'll go through that again. So we've got 4 bars of E. So 1, 2, 3, go down, 2, 3, 4, then A, then 2, back to E, B7, then A, then E, and again, E, 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 then A, E, B7, A, then E. Right, let's move on to the riff. Now, little fingers at the ready, ladies and gentlemen, because this little finger's gonna get pretty active now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our little finger and we're gonna strike down on, I don't think you can see, it's the 2nd string. That one. And we're gonna land down, it's what's known as a hammer-on. It's where you strike the string and then you hammer down on your finger to get 2 notes out of 1 strike. So in this case it's, I don't know if you can see, I'll bring it up to the camera, we're going to go play the B string, and then we're going to hammer down with our little finger on the 2nd fret of the B string, but we're going to keep our E chord. So this is going to be done with our little finger while we've still got the E chord in formation. That's the word, formation. Good word, word of the day, formation. So we've got, see that? Hammering on. So what we're going to do, we're going to strike down and then come off. So we strike down and then off. Can you hear that? And then we're going to do some things where we strike the B string again, the 2nd string, with our little finger on 2nd fret of the B string, and we're going to do a pull off. So we're going to go, so you can see that up close to the cameras. It's going to, this is all going to be part of the E chord too. So I'm going to move my fingers out of the way just so you can see what I'm doing. But when you, just so you know, when I am doing it, I'm going to bring my fingers back the way it should be. Okay, so we're going to be going, so on and pull off. So we're pulling off the string, which is like sort of wiping the string a bit, plucking the string tiny bit with your little finger. See that? So we're going to play it. Got that? So, and then we're going to hammer down onto the 1st fret of the G string. Bearing in mind that's going to be part of the E, right? So we're just going to go, so we're going to go, so we're going to play the E, sorry, the G string. And then hammer down with our 1st finger, which is part of the E chord, you'll see that. So far we got, sorry. Yeah? And then the E chord. So we've got, let's do that again for you. So we've got open B, and then we're going to hammer down with our little finger, 2nd fret of the B string, and then on, off, yeah, we're pulling off, and then hammering with our 1st finger down on that 1st fret of the G string, and then all of the E. I'll do that right up to the camera for you so you can see. Okay. So there we have it, Mungo Jerry in the summertime. How did you get on with that one? I'd really love to hear from you down in the comment section below. Also, yes, speak to me. Tell me all the songs you want me to break down in another video for you. Put it in the comment section below. I do my absolute best to answer every single comment I get. You guys are great. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for subscribing. And if you liked today's video, subscribe, like, follow, love it. Always grateful for the support. I will see you again in another video. Look after yourselves. Until we meet again, take care.